Today I'm on my way through Israel's busiest city to learn how the famous instrument, the shofar, which has been used for thousands of years, is transformed from an animal horn to the trumpet of God. We've made the drive to Tel Aviv, and now I'm standing outside the doors of the oldest shofar factory in the country, and I'm so excited to learn how they're made here. This is the Bash Eshet Ribak Shofarot factory, and it's run by Tzvi and his son Shlomi. The first thing you notice when you enter is the smell, and then the noise. And how long have you guys had this shofar factory?
Our family's been making shofars since the 15th century, actually in Spain.
Since the 15th century?
Yeah, there is evidence period to the Spanish Inquisition period.
Oh my goodness.
That our family, the Bosheshes, has been making shofars.
Wow. So you guys know what you're doing.
And,
You've had a couple of years of practice.
And Ribak family.
And the partner.
And the partner, Ribak family, it's start to make shofar in Israel.
They started making shofars in Israel
1926.
in 1926.
Here in this street.
Okay.
It's come from Poland.
Oh, from Poland?
Yeah.
So you have the roughly the Jews, the diaspora outside of Israel splits into two groups.
Right.
Ashkenaz and Sephardi.
Again.
Those in the it's more complicated, but roughly that's the situation. So our family brings the Sephardic knowledge, while the Ribak family is more the Ashkenaz. They came from Poland to Israel prior to the war, and they established their factory.
Now, a lot of our viewers are Christians, and so they understand the cross, they understand a lot of Christian symbols. They know the shofar is a part of Judaism, but they don't understand what makes the shofar significant. Why is it special to Jewish people? What would you say?
הם רוצים לחזור למקורות.
לא, למה חשוב השופר ביהדות?
Yeah, what would you say, Shlomi, is the reason?
The shofar is used on the holiest days of the Jews, the Yom Kippur and Rosh Hashanah.
Yes.
It opens the skies, and it makes the Lord listens to us.
Let me show them here.
Yeah.
Like, look, these are just lying here on the side, just shofars. How many shofars, it's probably hard to say, but a year would you get? A lot.
A lot. We are the largest.
Thousands,
actually,
tens
we have
of thousands.
we manufacture here and in Haifa.
Okay.
We have two places where we manufacture. Here is where the Ribak started, and now we work two families together.
Okay.
So in Haifa, my family started.
Okay.
How many roughly?
If you had to guess, do you do 10,000? Tens of thousands?
It says the ram's horn.
Right. Is that the most common? Is a ram's horn?
The ram's horn is most common to use.
עתודת יצחק, איך אומרים עתודת יצחק?
Because of Isaac's story.
The binding of Isaac with
The binding of
Abraham.
Isaac, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
This is why the ram are the most commonly used, and these are the ones usually used.
Okay. Give us, I know it takes a long time, but could you give us a short version of what's the process once you actually get the horn?
Okay.
What does it take to make it into a shofar you see in the store today?
שניתן לו בראשי פרקים ונראה לו את התהליך של הייצור.
Okay.
So now we'll show you the process.
Here, בעזרת...
That's the basic horn. That's what you see. And you can see this is the basic horn.
אנחנו מחממים אותו.
We warm the horn in order to make it straight, to make it as a musical instrument.
So do you put it in hot water? Do you burn it? How do you make fire? And now, do they come more straight and then you twist them?
No. It comes twisted and we straight it.
So for the whole, okay, got it.
Because now it's just, you cannot do anything with it.
Right.
You cannot make it.
Okay.
Our job is to make it into something that you can blow.
An instrument.
Take the horn, an instrument, exactly.
Okay, so stage one. Stage one is you heat them up and you straighten out the edge so that you can blow it.
And now I clean it.
And then next stage is that you clean it with a sander, kind of. Okay. After Tzvi has straightened the horn and polished it, he grinds down the end and begins the most crucial part of turning this horn into an instrument.
Now he needs to make the mouthpiece, the well where you blow.
Here.
That's a very important part of the process.
That's the very important part, and the most important part. He's the master craftsman in that particular...
Yeah, or else it just looks nice and it has no sound. It has to have a nice sound.
Exactly.
Okay, so, okay. So this is the same way Abraham did it, right?
Yeah. Use different brand of machine.
Oh, okay. So after he drills the hole into the bit, then you have to put it back on the fire?
Yes, so we can make it...
To expand it?
Exactly.
Ah, okay, so the air can go through the mouth.
You cannot manipulate, or you cannot work with the onion when it's
when it's
cold.
solid, can. Some polishing and adjustment, and then speed checks to make sure it's beginning to sound right. Then it's back to polishing and more fine-tuning until finally I get to try it out. That's the best sounding one I've had, honestly.
Those are big ones. Those are the most wanted ones.
Yeah.
Among the Jewish community, because they are the professional ones. Like, you know, when you buy a car, there is a beautiful car for show off.
Yeah.
But there is the one that drives really fast and do the job.
Yeah.
This is the one that does the job.
Yeah.
It may not be as big and shiny as those ones, but
These are the beautiful ones, but those are
the ones that do the job.
Okay, I
The big
understand.
red ones.
Yeah, I understand. Cool. Oh, I think my shofar is ready. Let me see. Opa, that's a nice one. Let's see.
Nice.
Let's see if we can blow this for television. Let's see here. Sneak by. Ready? What a difference, first of all. I mean, they polished it super nice. So this is fresh.
That we left it half natural, and it's half half polish. It's mostly natural. This is the natural so far.
Okay, let's see. Ready? Nice. Stop.